Hello, Nevis here. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to set up a meeting using Meet in the G Suite Google Apps. I'm going to open the App Center up here and I'm going to look for the icon, and here it is, the Meet icon. Click on it and that's how simple it is. It opens up fairly quickly. I'm going to click on the Settings button and have a look, check that the audio is working. Check that the video is working. There I am there. So that's working. I'm going to click on Done. Now I need to join or start a meeting. I'm going to start a meeting as I don't have one to join just yet. I'm going to call it. So here we are. And I'm going to join the meeting. Okay. Now I'll copy the joining info. And I can send the joining info off in an email or even through a Hangouts chat and share it with my students, my colleagues. At the moment, with the G Suite Meet app in G Suite, I can actually invite up to 100 people. And I think that's plenty because if we want to have a meeting with our staff, or colleagues, we can do that, and we don't need more than 100. And if we want to use it to have our meeting with some of our students or an online class with our students, we can do that. It doesn't have a recording function at the moment, but you can use Screencast-O-Matic to record, or you can use other free online tools to record. That may not be necessary. Anyway, let's have a look at a little bit at how this works. So first of all, we have the present now. In Italian, it'll be, I think it says presenta ora, but present now just means that I can share my screen. So let's have a look at the options. I can present and share my entire screen. And what does that mean? It means basically that it will present the entire screen, meaning the taskbar at the bottom, the rest of the browser up the top, or if I have two screens open, it will show the entire screen. That's exactly what it means. If I say window, it will only choose exactly what is within the window of that tab. Okay, so that's what that does. Then I can turn on captions and have a look at this. So if I'm talking and I want someone to understand what I'm saying, then I can turn on the captions and they can see exactly what I'm saying, which is really a good tool that can come in handy if you're going to do a lesson with, say, one of the students who may have some difficulty in understanding someone that's speaking a second language. Okay, so that's giving you an idea of how to use the captions. I'm going to turn them off now. Okay, obviously here you can turn off your microphone, you can turn off the webcam because you may want to do that, and close the call at the end. Remember always to, if you start the meeting, you must remember to close the call or leave the call at the end. Over here is where I can see the people that are invited now, and I can also have a chat with those people. So I can say welcome to the class, for example, or welcome to the meeting, whatever. Now something important to remember is I still have that join code, so I'll just pop that in there and show you what that looks like. There's that join code. So one thing that I'd like to remind my colleagues is that at the moment G Suite allows me as a G Suite account holder to use Meet and create a meeting. It doesn't mean I can't invite someone that doesn't have a G Suite account. In fact, I can add or invite people that don't have a G Suite account, and they can come in and participate. As long as I'm organising the meeting with Meet in my G Suite account, I can invite whoever as long as I give them the joining code and they, with the joining code, all they have to do is click on it and they go into it immediately. There's nothing to download, there's nothing to sign in. They just go directly, and they can access it with their phone, tablet, laptop, and it doesn't matter whether it's Android or Apple or whatever system, operating system, they can normally get into it. So that's how easy it is to use, and it's a really good and fairly quick program. Now, for example, if I want to remove the sidebar, all I have to do is click on it, and it disappears. And I can also go and change the layout if I want. So let's go into more options, and I can change the layout. I can go to full screen. I can turn on the captions, which you just saw. The settings just goes back immediately to the microphone and the video. I can report a problem, so if I'm having any hassles with it, I can, with this program, I can actually write to the creators, and they can work out what's going on. And I can also look at the help, which is a forum, and I can go through the forum and check any topics that may be similar to what I'm experiencing. I haven't found any real problems with Meet, so I can't imagine that there would be a lot to go wrong, but it can happen. So I suppose with anything, so it's there in any case. Again, just let's have a look at the layout. Let's change the layout. So auto is the layout that they choose automatically. Then we can choose the sidebar or the tiled. Now, the tiled won't work at the moment because I don't have a second person. But of course, they're the layouts that you can actually choose when you have a second or third or fourth or fifth person joining. Now, remember, you can have up to 100 attendees in this meeting, and they can all have their video and microphone connected. When they do join, it's automatically connected with the microphone and video. But if you are the meeting organizer, you can actually turn off their video and turn off their mic during the meeting. So remember, you can do that. All you have to do is click on the people button, and they pop up here, and next to here you will see the possibility to be able to turn off the mic and the video. So that's it from me. If there are any questions on how to use Meet, or if you'd like to join me in a Meet, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.